Natural stone is one of the most beautiful materials in architecture. Timeless, unique, and therein lies the challenge. Each piece is different. On one hand, the raw material. On the other, perfect surfaces where everything flows. The key isn't in the construction itself, it's in changing the process. The result isn't improvised, it's designed and guaranteed. It all begins with the selection of the material. The goal isn't uniformity, but coherence. Then, each piece is cut with millimeter precision. The orientation, the veining, everything is decided here. And then, the crucial moment, the dry installation. The entire project is assembled before leaving the factory. Each piece receives a unique code, an exact location. There's no interpretation, no error. On site, everything changes. It's no longer decided, it's executed. The result? A continuous, natural surface, exactly as it was designed. When the result can be guaranteed from the outset, design ceases to have limits.
TINO Stone and Surfaces.